FirstBuild wears two different hats. The first hat is Innovation Station. Here we innovate, we invent, we come up with new ideas, we go through prototype, we put it on the market, heck, we can even produce it here in our microfactory. But 5 o'clock rolls around, we switch hats and it becomes a community makerspace. Now there's makerspaces all over the country, but there's not very many spaces that do both of those at once. So if you want to come in, you want to see what we're doing, you want to get involved and be a maker yourself, all you have to do is show up and sign in. Now our first bit of advice for all newcomers is to schedule a tour. Now more specifically, a maker orientation tour. It's quick, it's free, and it'll get you up to speed on everything you'll have access to and how to go about making at FirstBuild. Now, speaking of free, there is no cost or subscription to be a maker at FirstBuild. The only time you'll be charged is if you use an expendable material, like the plastic that's used in 3D printers, which runs only 10 cents a gram. The only tools we charge money for using is our universal lasers and 3D printers, which is only $2 a job, and it helps cut down on new parts and repairs. So you show up at FirstBuild for the very first time. What are you going to see? How about a tool wall that anyone can use? We also have 3 3D printers available. They're all Ultimaker brand. We have 2 S3 models and 1 larger S5. Need a soldering station? We got them. As well as all the electronics to test your circuit boards and make sure you're all amped up. How about 2 universal laser machines? These are quite popular and they allow a user to cut or mark wood and acrylic products. Grab a design off the internet or make your own in Adobe Illustrator on our computers. It can be as easy or as complicated as you want it to be. Don't know how to use a universal laser? Well, we recommend looking at tutorials online. Now that goes for all our tools. There will always be a FirstBuilder here to help out and show you how to use our machines and answer any questions. And for those that are truly self-sufficient, well, that can open up even more opportunity to get behind the glass wall and get access to the machine shop. One of the coolest aspects of FirstBuild is the machine shop. Now, unlike the makerspace, the machine shop does require that you come in with some prior knowledge. If you can show our technicians that you know how to operate a piece of machinery safely and have some previous experience on them, then you're welcome to sign up to be Craftsman certified. All you have to do is register on our website, you come in on a Saturday, you take the test, and if you pass, then you're good to go. You pay a one-time fee of $15 for your Craftsman badge, and you can come and go as you please during community hours and use the shop absolutely free, except for the water jet, which does require a small fee. Just remember to only stick to the tools you've been signed off on. This is a great resource, especially for local woodworkers that don't have the workspace themselves, or access to tools like a planer, a joiner, spindle sander, SawStop brand table saw, heavy duty band saws, and the space to use them. We also have more tools that will be added to the community list in the coming future, including sandblasters, a CNC water jet, and a full metal fabrication area. Now, FirstBuild isn't just about in-person projects. There's also resources that anyone with an internet connection can access.
Hey Maker community. So you checked out the physical makerspace, but now I want to talk to you a little bit about our virtual makerspace, the co-creation platform on FirstBuild.com. This month, from May 9th to June 9th, we are launching a Maker Mission. The Maker Mission is all about cleaning. How can we reinvent cleaning within the home? Over the next 30 days, we will review every single idea that is submitted on our co-creation platform, and if it fits with the FirstBuild mission, you could potentially work with our team to launch your idea into the market. Submit those ideas and come work with us.
For those that want to see what's going on in our makerspace, you can join our Facebook group, check out our Google group to see what's going on here, what people are making, and let us know how we can make the makerspace better. And we're also planning an event to get makers together, a maker market here at FirstBuild on June 3rd, where people will be selling homemade goods and hopefully meeting with each other and coming up with ideas for new things to make. If you're interested in being a vendor in our market, there's a link down below. It's going to be on a Saturday from 11 to 5 with food vendors, music. Should be a good time. You can also come see us and other local maker organizations at the Adult Maker Night at the Louisville Science Center on Friday, May 19th.
Well, that's basically it. So, what are you waiting for? Come on down. We want to see you. We want to meet you. We want to make with you. And if you've been here, if you'd enjoyed your time, or you have suggestions for us for the makerspace, be sure to leave a comment below. Hey, leave us a Google review. We want to hear from you. Be sure to check out the Facebook page that Tim was talking about and get involved. This is a great space, a great opportunity, and it's mostly free. So, what are you waiting for?